In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize forms in Gohighlevel step by step. To begin, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct account or location where you want to build your form. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the primary navigation menu for most of the tools you'll be using. From that left side menu, click on Sites. After that, move to the top menu and click on Forms. This will take you into the area where you can create and manage all of your forms inside Gohighlevel. Once you're on the Forms page, click Create Form. This opens the setup flow for making a new form. From here, choose the option to create a new form and then select from templates. Using a template is a great starting point because it gives you a pre-built structure that you can customize instead of starting completely from scratch. After selecting templates, click Continue. You'll now be able to browse through the available categories and look at different form designs. Take your time here and choose a template that fits the purpose of your form, whether that's lead capture, contact requests, bookings, or something similar. Picking a close match up front can save you time later during customization. Once you find a template you like, click Choose. Gohighlevel will begin adding that template to your form builder. This can take a moment, so just wait until the template fully loads before making any changes. It's important not to rush this part, because editing before everything is ready can be confusing. When the form opens, make sure you are in edit mode. This is the mode that allows you to actually customize the layout and content of the form. If you're in the wrong mode, you may only be previewing instead of editing. Now you can start customizing the form by dragging elements into place. This makes it easy to rearrange the layout and build a form that looks cleaner and works better for your audience. You can also remove elements you don't need and add new ones depending on the information you want to collect. For example, if a field feels unnecessary, you can take it out to keep the form shorter and more user-friendly. You can also edit the form title so it matches your brand or clearly explains what the form is for. This is a small change, but it makes a big difference in helping people understand what they're filling out. And that's how to customize forms in Gohighlevel. Once your layout and content look the way you want, you're ready to move on with the rest of your setup.